First, we solve this multiplication. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. So we get 1 times 2 here. 1 times 2 equals 2. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. But this answer is not right. Because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division and a multiplication operator present, and we have a fraction involved in between. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first because that's on the left side. Here a number is getting divided by a fraction, and what we can do is we can use KCF rule here: keep, change and flip. To solve this, keep means we keep 2 as it is, change means we change division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip 1 over 4 as 4 over 1, and we have times 8 present from the original expression. We don't need to write this over 1 here, it's simply 2 times 4 times 8. And now we have two multiplication operators present here. We'll go work from left to right. So 2 times 4, that gives us 8. And finally 8 times 8 gives us 64, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.